Oh, nagbabadyang mojito bar. It's literally mojito na talaga. Hey guys, so we're now here at the old town. Apparently it's at the top of the hill right here. There's a nice view of the coast, I think, from there, but it has an entrance fee. Does it have? So we're now here, guys, at Castel de Benidorm, or what remains of it. Let's see, look at the blue and the white design. Wow. Let's go. We're looking for the tapas alley, but I don't think there's actually a tapas alley. We're now here in the tapas alley. So this is a tapa. It's called Chaka. Chaka con hamon y gamba. Uy, baka chaka to ah. Baka siya. Sweet. This is a Cruz Campo beer. Crab is good. Uy. Nice beer. Okay. This is nice. This is a sunflower seeds. Oh, nice shot. Are you getting that? Okay guys, here ends our trip here in Benidorm. It's a pretty nice place after all. And it's sunset here right now. We're gonna catch our train before it gets too cold. Bye Benidorm, definitely coming back. While coming back.